What's going on, everyone? Joe back with Grill Joe's Barbecue, and today we're making some pork belly lollipops. So let's get this meat sliced up. We got the Zgrills fired up. We'll get them skewered up, and we'll throw them on the smoker. Let's get going. As you can see, guys, we got a nice big pork belly from Costco. This big guy was $38. Gotta love those Costco prices, because that is a lot of meat. And we aren't gonna use this whole thing. I don't need an entire pork belly made into candied lollipops for myself. You know, it is New Year's Eve. We're gonna be staying up till midnight. We got a huge party with lots of people. I'm just kidding, I gotta get up at work for 5 in the morning. So we're gonna have our New Year's Eve party right now with some pork belly lollipops. So we got the pork belly out. We're gonna trim it up a little bit. I think I'm gonna make about half of this into the pork belly lollipops. We'll use the other half for something else later. So let's get her right about there. This part is gonna be frozen for something else. All right, I picked up these metal skewers so we wouldn't be worried about wood ones. These things are actually just perfect length for these. So we're just gonna space these out. They're gonna be pretty thick on these, probably about there. So we'll get 5 skewers out of here, and these are gonna be thick. Let's get them sliced up. Look at that beautiful pork belly. Holy moly. I'm gonna trim up these a little bit more once I get them sliced down. We've got our beautiful pork belly pieces here. Just for ease of cooking, I'm gonna slice them up a little bit more. I've never made pork belly lollipops, so this is a experiment for all of us. All right, for our seasoning, I'm gonna be using 2 different rubs on this. They are both from Running Wild Foods. First we got the apple, love this stuff, and the really sweet stuff, the maple sugar bourbon rub. This stuff is fantastic. I use this on all my ribs, my pork butts, give that a little sweet flavor. We're gonna hit it with the apple first though, give a nice coating of this. If you guys have never tried this Running Wild Foods, these seasonings, you've got to get on their website and get you some. They are fantastic. Now we're going in with the sweet. This rub is just like candy. You could eat this on anything. Now that they're all seasoned up, another glove on, we're taking our skewers right through them like that. We're gonna throw these on the Zgrills at 225 degrees. We're shooting for about 4 hours, but we'll keep an eye on them. I'm gonna flip them halfway through. Once we get that initial smoke on there, I'm gonna be going out and I'm gonna be basting these. We're gonna make up a little baste mixture of some sweet baby Ray's, hickory and brown sugar barbecue sauce. We're gonna mix that in with some butter and some of the seasonings here as well, and we'll be basting these about every 30 minutes until we're getting to the doneness that I'm looking for. That should put a nice coat on there. It's gonna be perfect. Looks like I wasn't counting right. We're gonna have to double up a couple of these since I cut them in half. Look at those guys. That is looking awesome. They smell amazing. That apple rub and that maple bacon sugar rub, this maple sugar bourbon rub, fantastic. Smells great, they look awesome. We're gonna throw these on the Zgrills. I got it fired up at 225 degrees. We'll toss these in. We'll set about a 2 hour, we'll set an hour timer, then we'll go check on them, see if we'll flip them around, see how they're looking for at that point. Let's go get these on the smoker. Alright guys, the Z-Grill's fired up to 225 degrees. Remember, if you're looking for a smoker, click my link in the description. You can go pick yourself up a Z-Grills from my link and get a discount. We'll go inside and make our basted mixture. We'll come back out and check on these in about an hour. All right, like I said, we're gonna be making a mixture to baste those with once we get about 2 hours of smoke on them. We're gonna be mixing some Kerrygold butter with that Sweet Baby Ray's, hickory and brown sugar, and some of our seasonings we put on there. We'll mix all that in here. We'll get it out there. We'll put it out on the smoker and let it start melting down. All right, so I got my little cast iron skillet here. We're gonna add some Kerrygold butter, like I said. This is like 2 sticks of butter, so we're gonna add half of this into this pan. Right down the middle. Right down the middle, 1 block into the pan. We'll be mixing that with the Sweet Baby Ray's, hickory and brown sugar. We got a lot to base, so. And to add to the flavor of those, we'll add some more of that Runnin' Wild Food apple and the maple sugar bourbon. We'll throw this out on the smoker and let it start melting down. I kicked the smoker up to about 325 degrees. We're gonna be basting it with that mixture we made, getting it ready to roll. Let's get in here. Got my official Zgrills gloves on here to be able to flip these over. Those are looking beautiful. I'm gonna put them on the side down that's been up. Holy cow, guys. Check these out. Oh my gosh, they smell amazing. They look amazing. Ooh, I cannot wait to bite into these. These are right off the smoker. They are hot. They're gonna be flavorful. Let's get a taste test. All right, guys, we're gonna try a bite of these. Remember, this has the Runnin' Wild Foods maple sugar bourbon with the apple rub, with the Sweet Baby Ray's hickory bourbon, hickory brown sugar barbecue sauce. We smoked them at 225 for about 2 hours, and then we basted them with the mixture of this with some Kerrygold butter, and we let that sit on there at about 325 to let that tack up. And these are looking beautiful. Those big old chunks of meat. All right, let's dig in. I don't even know how to go about this big of a bite of barbecue. Holy cow. You have the sweetness, sweet and savory. My goodness, it's hot, but oh. These are just massive. Oh, they are so good though. Whew. They are hot. I probably got barbecue sauce all over my face and my beard. That is a winning combo. You need to try these giant pork belly lollipops. The sweetness of these 2 rubs combined with that barbecue sauce basted on there, that is fantastic. I should also try chopping these up and doing like a pork belly burnt ends with them, because that is so ridiculously good. I almost want to chop these in half and now put them on a bun and make a big old pork belly sandwich. Those are fantastic though. You need to try these. Thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, all that stuff. Let me know what I should cook next time. Make sure if you want anything I use in this video, click the link down below. There's the link to the Z-Grills and also my Amazon storefront. You can find everything I use on there. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.